Welcome back friends, and in this video I am going to take one topic that is very commonly used by all of mobile users. Sometimes what happens when we turn our this mobile this side, this shifting of screen from landscape mode to portrait mode doesn't happen. In that case we tell that auto rotate is not working properly. Auto rotate feature in Android phones can automatically switch between landscape and portrait mode based on how we hold the phone. When you are watching any videos, just place your mobile into the landscape mode and the video will shift like that. And when you rotate, it will just go into the portrait mode. If it is not happening in your mobile, then what you need to check in your mobile, I am going to tell you 6 or 7 methods by which you can restore the problem, if any, in your mobile, if it is not a hardware issue. So not wasting much of your time, we quickly go on the reasons why this type of problem is coming into your phone. The auto rotate feature works based on the accelerometer what is in your phone. I am going to tell you how to check accelerometer also in this video along with the many other regions. So what are the regions? Generally speaking, this problem may occur because the auto rotate option is turned off or not working in your mode, or auto rotate is not set, or you are touching the screen while auto rotating feature, or the accelerometer is malfunctioning and cannot recognize whether the Android rotate is rotated. One reason also may be the phone firmware problem, may also be why auto rotate won't work on Android phone. So what will you do? According to the questions our channel is getting from users, this Android phone, this problem is coming in many Android phones, not only in the one Android phone. So don't worry, usually this problem is caused by the specific settings of the Android phone, which is the first step we should check. So just coming to the first, how to check and turn on the auto rotate feature in Samsung mobile. Just slide it down, go here, and auto rotate, it is turned on. Suppose I am turning it off now. If I am coming out and changing this, it will not work. So just swipe it down, see where auto rotate is there, this, turn it on. Now just go and see, it is happening. So this was the first. You can also access it by going into the setting, then going into the home screen, and here rotate to the landscape mode, it should be turned on. So this is the very first thing you need to check. Second, if it is turned on and your problem is still coming, just restart your phone. Restarting may reset some memory, some flags in your mobile, and the auto rotate may start working. Just to restart, just press it and restart from here. So this was the second thing you need to do. Third thing you need to check what applications you have recently installed your mobile. Just check the applications and delete those applications, uninstall those applications, and after that restart your mobile. Your function, auto rotate function, may work. Then if after doing all the things it is still not working, then what you need to do? Start your mobile into safe mode. In Samsung mode, just press the power button, this, press the power off this button for some time, and then safe mode will come here. And after that, if you test this, the mobile will restart into safe mode, turn the auto rotate function and see that is working or not. If it is working in that, then again switch off your phone, restart, and it will work. If it is still not working, then you should update your Samsung phone or any Android phone. In Samsung phone, just go to the setting, go below here software update, go download and install. Here you will see it will check for updates. My mobile is up to date. You may see some another thing here. You just update and restart your mobile, the function may work. If after doing all the things it is still not working, then reset your phone, factory reset your phone. But remember that if you are doing factory reset in your phone, all data will go. You know how to restore data. First you have to back up your data. You need to know how to restore your data, and after that just do this. Go to the setting, go to the general management. Here you will find reset and factory data reset. Then it will tell that all data will be erased from your phone, including this. So just go below, reset it. Now it will ask for pattern, give the pattern and reset it. Now your mobile will be new mobile, load all the data, and may your problem, you can get your problem solved. If after doing all the things it is still not working, then please go to the authorized mobile repair center and seek professional help. So this is all what I wanted to tell you in this video. If you like the video, please do consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.